Hey guys, I'm at the OB and I'm gonna try a new radio that I just got, the G106 from Xiegu, little 5-watt QRP rig. Now when this thing first came out, it got some bad, I mean really bad reviews from a few YouTubers, and I kind of said, I don't need it, whatever. But I want to see for myself. I want to try it and see what it's all about. So here I am, I'm gonna put up an antenna and have a little fun. Stick around. So just how good or how bad is this little radio? The Xiegu G106 BNC here, I added a little adapter to it. 5 watts, inexpensive, really inexpensive QRP radio from Xiegu. I like it, it's an SDR radio, so you can see the spectrum on it. It's kind of nice, cheap, inexpensive. I've used it one time. I opened it this morning, plugged it in at home. Now at home I have a pretty compromised antenna. It's on the back of my house. It is just a Sigma Eurocom HF360 on handrails outside by my fire escape. Plugged it in and wanted to check it out to see how it would do.
Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar.
Oscar Golf Oscar, good morning. November 3, Sugar, Japan, London. Get me up here in West Virginia. Sounding good this morning.
The harbor of Norfolk, Virginia.
Oh, okay, very good. Oh, I'm familiar with the area down there pretty much, Cut.
Hey, we gotta copy that. I just plugged this thing in. This is a little QRP radio. First time I've put some power to it, 5 watts. I'm kind of wondering, what's your QTH and what kind of signal am I putting over there to you?
Well, I'm in the northeast corner of West Virginia, and from your location to here, you're on the backside of my antenna, and right now you're about an 8. Go ahead.
Okay, not a bad start to my relationship with the G106. But here I am at the beach, all right? I'm gonna break out the Radioddity HF009 antenna. I'm here real close to the water. I might have to move back a little bit. I'm gonna put that up. Let's see if we can make some contacts and operate a little bit of QRP here on the beach here in the afternoon. Okay, here's the setup. This is the Chesapeake Bay. To the right, that direction is the Atlantic Ocean. Wonderful beach here. A little choppy and a little windy today. There's the radio on the bucket. I'm powering it with my LiPo4 6 amp hour battery and then running it down here. We'll take a look at the antenna as well. This is the Radioddity HF009, and you probably guessed it. I like this antenna. This is like the 4th time I've been out with it. Really easy to deal with. 3 counterpoise, as you can see. I got one there just kissing the salt water, and there it is. Nice little setup there. I like this. The whole thing, like, so light coming down here. Easy. This is an easy beach setup. Let's see if we can make some contacts, and I'll let you hear what this thing sounds out on this windy beach here. Let's go. I'm digging this screen on this thing. This is awesome. This compared to other cheap QRP radios, you know, yeah, if you spend more money for a nice SDR radio with a waterfall, but just being able to see the spectrum like that for someone that's hunting, it's pretty cool. I'm enjoying this, and just spinning up and down the band, you see the signals. It's pretty nice. That's something that that's a premium thing for something this cheap. A QRP rig this little and this cheap. It's pretty nice.
Hey, roger that, Walt. Nice to get you in the log on one of these. This is Whiskey 4, Bravo Delta. Mark over here. I'm in Washington County, down Interstate 81 near Abingdon. Roger.
Oh, okay. You're on the other side of the state there. Well, you got a great signal here. I'll give you the report per the meter on the next go round. But great audio.
Well, I appreciate that, my friend. You're doing great for QRP, which we've got some real nice propagation over to that end of Virginia, Maryland, and Delaware. I've talked to a bunch of these guys over there. But you were about a 5.5 over here into my park. US 3987, Roger. Kilo 4 station, try again.
Yes, Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf, Oscar, is that correct?
That is correct. Kilo 4, Oscar Golf. Oscar, the name is Walt. I'm 5 watts QRP on the beach in Virginia.
Okay, very good. You're 5 by 7 here on the Buckle Island. I'm off the coast of Maine, mid coast of Maine. I'm on Buckle Island, which is a U.S. island, Mike Echo 139. Mike Echo 139. I'm also running 5 watts. QRP Cat 2 radio, just for the internal battery.
Wow, that's awesome. 5 watts to 5 watts. I have my secret. You may be doing the same. I have a counterpoise there into the salt water that's doing the trick for me.
Oh, this is great. Yeah, I'm thrilled. We've got a QRP contact that going here.
All right, so taking a look, I tuned the antenna for 15 meters, but not a lot going on the 15 meter band. Kind of a strange day propagation-wise. Guess I'll go back the other way now and take a look at some other bands. There's really not anything on 15 right now. This time of day, usually for me, 15 is in good shape. I did not look at the any of the spots or maps or anything. There's something going on there, but yeah, no 15 meters. Let's get out of here and go back to another band. 17 is pretty dead as well. And FT8 maybe, but for voice, there's something. Yeah, not much on 17. Maybe I was smart starting out on the 20 meter band. We'll go back over there and see what's going on.
I have you at a 555555 Whiskey 9 Victor Oscar Foxtrot.
Roger that, roger that.
Whiskey 1 X-ray Mike.
Whiskey 1 X-ray Mike. Hey, you're sounding great here. You're about a 5'8" onto the beach here in Virginia.
Roger, I caught you at 5'8". I can't be as generous. I'm going to give you a 3 triplets, okay?
Hey, with 5 watts, I'll take that. I'll take anything I can get as long as we can make the contact there, my friend. What an absolutely great little radio for the price, man. For the price, for what it is, man. I love this little radio. Can't wait to play with it some more. Can't wait to connect it to my XP125B, my big Xiegu amplifier, and put some power behind it. Sound-wise, I don't know if you could hear it as well. This sound was better than a lot of the other little QRP rigs. It's a heck of a lot better than the X6100 and the X6200. You can actually hear this. It kind of somewhat rivals the G90 as far as sound, although it's a windy day here. One thing I did do, you can push the volume, and the mic is a speaker mic, so if you're out operating, you can do it that way as well, using a speaker mic, or, you know, whatever, headsets, however you want to do it. But yeah, man, for the price, you cannot beat this thing. This is king of the cheap QRP radios right here, as far as I'm concerned. I like it a lot, and I'm going to get out and play with it some more. I'll put a link below to my Radioddity. This is where you want to get it here in the States. Radioddity, who sells Xiegu here in the States. My link to them, and if you want one of these, it's where the antenna as well. I like this antenna. But I do have my antenna analyzer with me, so that's why I tuned it. This, unlike the other Xiegus, this doesn't have that full feature set, and it does not have an ATU in it as well. So it is what it is, just a basic little QRP radio. And on a day when conditions are really not that good, they really aren't. I heard some DX, but yeah, it was no way I was getting over to Europe. It was coming from Europe. I did try to call back, stepped on 5 watts. It just wasn't going to happen. But what a fun afternoon out here on the beach. I really enjoyed myself. So this was a great activation. The Navy planes are flying over. They've been doing it the whole time. It's getting late in the afternoon. I'm hungry. Let's go grab a bite to eat. Okay, these are my kind of places, and this is just right off the beach here. Doug's Hot Dogs. Want something quick and easy, and we can have a couple hot dogs. Let's All right, cool place. I grabbed it to go, and Hatteras clam chowder. Now, I know a bunch of you guys are gonna go, Cape Hatteras, yeah, that's a thing, and it's a big thing there. Hatteras chowder is amazing, and for those of you, my friends there in
In Rhode Island, it is pretty much Rhode Island clear chowder. It's the same thing, Hatteras clam chowder. Although sometimes here in the down here in the Outer Banks in North Carolina and Southeast Virginia here, we add a little bit more to it as well. Got a hot dog all the way, as we call it here, all the way in the Mid-Atlantic region. I know down the Gulf Coast in New Orleans they call fully dressed. Other places they call it with everything. Hot dog all the way. That is a true Southeastern Virginia way to get a hot dog with everything on it: chili, mustard, onions, the whole ball of wax there, and it's good. Let me get it going here. Let me finish this up, and we'll finish this video. Hey, thanks for coming along with me. Finishing up my hot dog. It was amazing. The chowder was very good as well. It was a great little spot, man. Really, I was in and out of there in like 3 minutes. It was nice. And I like places like this as well when you come off the beach. You know, it's cheap. I think I maybe dropped $10 altogether there for lunch, and it is really good. It really is. Hey, thanks for coming along on the journey with me today. Like I said earlier, I absolutely, I think a lot of the G106, and I'll get out and use it some more as well. I'm definitely going to hook it up. You'll see me real soon hooking it up to my XPA 125 100-watt amplifier, and we'll use it with that as well. I think it's for the price. It is what it is. I mean, I think people look at that and they expect it to be a G90 or whatever. It's not. It is an inexpensive QRP rig, and I would buy that if you're looking for something like that. I'd buy that way before I'd buy a lot of other radios. This one was a keeper for sure. Hey, if you enjoyed the trip, enjoyed coming along with me, please like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Walt, K4OGO. Stay salty, my friends.